Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your videos. So this is on the channel I did in the last episode. And I have it already here, and yep, it's in here. And now you're going to go down here and press upload videos, and or you can press up here in this corner on that one, but okay, so yeah. And now you're going to do take your file right here. You can drag and drop or select them. So I'm going to look for one called test one right here. There we go. Copy that. And then you can select your name here. And then your description. And then you can put whatever you want in either of these or whatever you want the title to be. And then you can select a playlist here. And then you just press create a playlist. And it's going to go into test playlist 1. And you can name any of these whatever you want. I'm just naming them test ones. So yeah, then you can select if it's made for kids or not. And then obviously you can go into here and say you want it to be over 18 or not. And then you can add tags, like you could do hashtag shorts, and then you press space. No, you press comma and it'll do that. And then you can select your video language here. So I'm just gonna select English for the United States accent. And then recording date, you can select whenever you want to record it. So I'm just going to press today, June 13th. And then you can select if your video up here, if you want to have automatic chapters, automatic places, if you want a paid promotion here, caption certification. So if it's aired on TV or something, you can put it there. Where if you want to tell people where the location is of where you're from your recording, so you can just select your YouTube license, and then there you go. Allow embedding. So like if you want them to allow your videos onto their sites. Publish to subscriptions and notify subscribers. Allow people to sample this content, and then category. And allow your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. So yep, and then people and blogs right here, you can select your category. So anything, so I'm just going to select this one is a how to and style, but you can select any one. So you can select allow comments, disable content, hold all comments in your review section, hold potentially inappropriate comments for your review. So I just select allow all comments, and then sort by top or newest. So I like top better. So then I'm gonna go for checks here, and then you can wait a long time. It might take a while, but you don't have to wait that whole time. It'll just post when it's ready. That's what I like about YouTube. And then you can either save it, and you can save it as everyone on YouTube can watch this video. So anyone you send the link can watch it under unlisted. And private obviously means that only you and the people you choose can watch your video. So you can choose someone to watch your video here. And then, or you can schedule your video, like let's say tomorrow's June 14th. I want to schedule it for June 14th, and you scroll down. And I want to schedule it for like 11 at 10. 11 tomorrow. So like, for right now, I'm just going to press save or publish, and then publish in public. And yeah. I'm actually gonna select private for this one, or public. It doesn't really matter, depending on what you want. Yeah, so I'm just gonna select public, and then I'm gonna select this little publish down here, and then it's gonna say video publish. You can share your links here, and then here's a video link, so you can copy that if you want. You can just click that to copy, like I did. Now I'm gonna close this, and there's your video. You can always go in here, and if you want to change your video title, then you can call it something else. Test completed. So yeah, you can, and then you press save up here, or undo if you want to. And then yeah, you can change anything here. You can also go here and you can schedule your video if you want it to upload later, or change it from private to private. Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to do that for a test. Now the video is private. So yeah, guys, that's how you upload a video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want there to be a part 3, then comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.